Imagine a small African force, armed mostly with spears and shields, facing the world's most powerful empire and delivering one of the most humiliating defeats in British military history. This is the untold story of Ngwane and the unbreakable Nguni chiefs who refuse to bow. What happened next will shock you. Deep in the heart of southern Africa, in the late 1800s, a storm was brewing. European powers hungered for land and control. But one man stood like a mountain against the tide. Ngwane, a fierce Nguni chief whose name still echoes through history. As the British and Boers closed in on the mighty Zulu kingdom, division threatened to destroy everything. But Ngwane rallied the chiefs with words that ignited fire in their veins. We must stand together, or we will fall forever. Then came January 22nd, 1879, the Battle of Isandlwana. Outnumbered, outgunned, and facing professional soldiers with modern rifles and artillery, the Zulu warriors, inspired by leaders like Ngwane, unleashed pure fury and strategy. In one of the greatest upsets in colonial history, the British suffered a crushing defeat. Over 1,000 soldiers lay dead on the battlefield. For a brief, glorious moment, African resistance shone like the sun. But empires do not forget humiliation. The British regrouped with overwhelming force. Many brave chiefs were hunted, captured, or killed. Yet the spirit Ngwane helped awaken could never be fully extinguished. This is more than a war story. It is a testament to resilience, unity, and the unbreakable fight for dignity against impossible odds. The question is, how did one victory change the course of African resistance forever? And what lessons does it hold for us today?
Ngwane's courage still inspires millions. If this story moved you, smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful, untold African histories, and share this with someone who needs to see true resilience. Drop a flame emoji in the comments if you stand for unity.